have a special announcement for everybody watching this, so make sure you stay tuned to the end. I'll see you there. But first, as always, hope you guys are having a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. I'm Jordan Cakes from Las Vegas. Now onto the video. They're finally here. I can smell them already. This box looks amazing. Throw the box to the side. In here we have arguably one of the best Jordan releases of 2023. Starting off with the box, we have the distressed look, very smooth. We have the red Jordan Jumpman on top, size 9.5 for me. Let's see what's inside. First thing you're going to notice when you open up the box is the Jordan 3 pamphlet. This goes over the shoe in great details. As we know, it was designed by Tinker Hatfield. I'll get into more of how Tinker came to design the Air Jordan 3 in 1 second. I can't help but get so excited to finally see these. I will give you guys first look. Okay, hopefully they look good. Yo, they look so... wow. They smell good too. I don't even have to do the smell test. I can smell the leather from here. Wow. You are going to be surprised when you see these in hand. Wow. Just wow. So if you are unsure where to cop these are going to be releasing March 11th for a retail price of $210 on the sneakers app. These are gonna go quick, even though they are rumored to have 500,000 pairs. If you watch Wear Tester's video, he was talking about tripling up on these. So don't sleep, enter as many raffles as possible. I've heard people call these the lost and found threes, the reimagined threes, the white cement threes. We're gonna go ahead and go with the reimagined / white cement 3. As we know, the white cement 3 was one of the 4 OG colorways. We had the white cement 3, the black cement 3, the fire red 3, and the true blue. Although the true blue 3 was not worn on an NBA court, it was worn during an exhibition game. These sneakers originally released in January 1988 for a retail price of $100. Today that retail price, like I said, is $210, but let's go ahead and start getting into some of these details. On the bottom, you can see that instead of Jordan, it says Nike. This resembles the OG pair, which is lovely. We have the red, we have the gray, we have the aged white over here / cream. Moving to the midsole, this was the first Air Jordan with the visible air unit. Shout out to Tinker Hatfield, the architect major from Oregon State University, who took on the project after Peter Moore and Strasser left the company. When he was handed the project, it was already 6 months behind, but he trudged through it and produced these wonderful shoes that made Jordan want to stay with Nike because things were getting a little rough. This midsole, you can see the aged look, why it is called the Reimagined 3. It is supposed to be as if you found these sitting in a storage locker or an attic for a long time. That is why they have the aged look. Also on the eyelets right here, but most importantly on the Nike Air back tab. It is aged, it has the cream look, it is not pure white, but what do you guys think? Do you enjoy this aged look, or would you rather have a complete OG spec white cement 3 release without an aged look? Almost dropped the shoes. You guys know I almost drop the shoes every video. But the next thing is this hang tag. So we have the plastic Nike Air hang tag, and instead of this chain right here attaching the hang tag to the shoe, we see this plastic tag, which is how we would have seen it on the OG. You guys should follow this guy's page right here if you want to see more OG Air Jordans. There's a lot of collectors who post OGs, but this guy pops into mine because I see him in my feed a lot. The last Air Jordan White Cement 3 that we saw in 2018, which was the finish line, the free throw line dunks. I remember walking into middle school, homeroom, praying that Nike sneakers would give me the W for the free throw lines, but unfortunately it came out with an L. It is all good though, because we have these now. The elephant print looks good. It is not as bold as some of the past white cement 3s, but I love how they executed. Moving to the upper leather, it feels premium and it looks wonderful. We are laced up with white laces and we have a white sock liner. The iconic red Jordan Jumpman logo on the tongue, and the insole we have red Nike Air. I will give you guys a close-up look on that. We do not have shoe trees in these, we have paper. Also, you may notice on your pair we have the widow's peak on both toes, which is pretty interesting. Let me know if you guys like that, or would you have preferred it just be a clean cut. Jordan mainly rocked this model during the 87-88 season, then he switched up to the Fire Red 3 for the playoffs and to start the 88-89 season. Well, I want to show you guys the color difference. On the top we have the Fire Red 3 and on the bottom we have the age look. Also, I want to show you guys how the collars are, or the sock liner, on the Reimagined 3, pretty thin compared to the Air Jordan 3 in the Fire Red colorway. I also want to show you guys the back tab. You can see the pure white and you can see the aged look. The more I have this sneaker in my hand, the more I come to fall in love with it. So why do I think the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined is going to be the best Air Jordan 3 we will be seeing in 2023? Maybe even the best Jordan release in general? It comes down to three things: history, style elements, and Tinker Hatfield. First things first, after Strasser and Peter Moore left, Jordan was unsure if he wanted to continue with Nike, but after seeing the Air Jordan 3 design presented by Tinker Hatfield, he fell in love, and this solidified the partnership between Nike and Michael Jordan, allowing for all the Jordan releases after to come. Second, style elements. This Jordan was different from the previous Jordans. It featured elements like elephant print, the first visible air bubble, it was mid-cut, the giant Jordan Jumpman on the tongue. Also, I really enjoy this colorway, the cream, the white, the black, the red. I feel like it can mesh flawlessly with a bunch of outfits. What do you guys think? And lastly, number 3, this is the first Air Jordan designed by the GOAT Tinker Hatfield. Tinker Hatfield designed a variety of other sneakers and Jordans, but since this was the first Air Jordan designed by Tinker, I think it is all the more special. What do you guys think? Are these worth being the 2023 sneaker of the year? Before I get into the announcement, I do want to say that this t-shirt is available, and if you need a t-shirt to match with the white cement 3, this is it. It looks so good. It's nice. I have them available on the Poshmark. They will be the first link in the description. Also want to say that I just started up official Kicked Out LV. The official Kicked Out LV eBay is now up. I woke up at 6 a.m, started grinding, started getting listings up. As of right now, we have 27 listings, but we're just gonna keep growing and keep working at it. I really appreciate you for tuning in today, and let's move on to our next point. Alrighty, so for the last announcement before we get out of here, we're gonna be giving away another Mike Tyson t-shirt. It seemed like this one was very popular, so I thought, hey, let's go ahead and do another giveaway. So as a thank you for tuning in, all you have to do is leave a comment on this video saying if you like the white cement 3s more or the black cement 3s more, and then just tune into Kicked Out LV Instagram live that is going to be happening on March 10th, Friday, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And just make sure to be in there, because if you're not in there, we're going to go ahead and move on to the next person. And yeah, contiguous United States only. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Where are you guys ranking the Air Jordan 3 white cement for this year's best Jordan releases? Like I said, I think it is one of the best, if not the best, because of everything this shoe represents. Hopefully, if you guys want these, you're going to be able to cop. Let me know what your guys' thoughts on these shoes are in the comments below. Are they a cop or drop? As always, hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. UNC 5 review coming tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. See you in the next one. Peace. Where are you guys ranking the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined / Lost and Found / White Cement 3? I really appreciate you for tuning